Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Oye Television and I'm your loyal host, Edward Osayebwa. Today on Oye TV, we are visiting a very unique waterfall in the eastern region part of Ghana. And that is the Asenema waterfall. It is located in the Okre district or the Okre constituency of the eastern region. It is a very nice waterfall. We'd like to check it out. Please watch this video to the end, and I promise you will never regret it. You will never ever regret watching this video to the end. Please follow me as I walk through the streets to the waterfall. Wow. To be honest, one of the things I liked at the waterfall is how green the vegetation is and how serene the environment is. You guys will just love it at Asenema Waterfalls. So in a nutshell, Asenema waterfalls is a place that you can go and then relax. You can swim in the water, relax, cool down your body, and then and that is it. You just have to be at a place to relax, right? Okay. So we've come to the end of today's video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe, please. Please support this. Subscribe for me so that you'll be able to reach our 1K subscriber mark. Thank you.